Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Dazonn Technologies. Today, we have something incredible in store for you. We are going to reveal the techniques and strategies that can propel your website to the top of search engine rankings. That's right, we're talking about Parasite SEO and AI SEO. So, if you're ready to unlock the secrets to boost your website's ranking, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. To begin, let's break down the basics of Parasite SEO and AI, and how they work together to enhance your website's visibility. But before we do that, make sure you hit the notification bell, so you never miss out on our SEO insights. How to boost your website ranking with Parasite SEO and AI. What is Parasite SEO? Parasite SEO refers to publishing content on third-party platforms with a higher domain authority, aiming to rank that content for target keywords. For example, hosting a blog post on a site like Medium or LinkedIn allows you to benefit from their existing domain authority. If your post ranks well, you can monetize the traffic through affiliate links, ads, lead generation, etc. The key advantage is speed. Parasite pages can rank faster than trying to boost your own website's authority organically. It's essentially hijacking the credibility of larger sites. Why use Parasite SEO? There are several benefits to this unorthodox approach. Ranks quickly. Parasite SEO leverages sites with authority, allowing faster indexing and ranking than a new domain. Proven results. As we'll see later, this strategy consistently ranks content on the first page of Google. Free to implement. Requires no paid tools, just free AI content creation. Monetizable traffic. You can add monetization elements like affiliate links to Parasite pages. Works for any site. Helpful for new sites with no authority or if you want faster results. Increases reach. Publishing on multiple platforms expands your audience. Step-by-step Parasite SEO workflow. Below is a step-by-step blueprint for ranking Parasite SEO pages with AI. Find profitable keywords. Keyword research is crucial. You need terms aligned with customer intent and monetization potential. Prioritize long tails over competitive short tails. For example, laptop bags is very hard to rank for. But waterproof laptop bags for MacBook is more specific with higher buyer intent. Create content outlines with AI. Leverage ChatGPT to create content outlines targeting your keywords. Prompt it to review top ranking pages and build an optimal structure. Develop unique articles. Don't duplicate the same article on each platform. Write new versions customized for each site. Prompt ChatGPT or Claude AI to generate introductions, conclusions, transitions, examples, etc. Make the articles comprehensive and detailed, like 2000 plus words. Include images, formatted text, links, etc. Publish to multiple platforms. Post your AI-generated articles on platforms like LinkedIn, Medium, Quora, Reddit. Interlink your content. Link internally between your Parasite articles to pass authority and aid indexing. You can also link relevant pages on your site to pass authority. Index your pages. Since you don't win websites like Medium or LinkedIn, you cannot submit new posts to Google Search Console directly. Interlinking will help get your pages crawled faster. However, organic indexing will still take time. Monetize your rankings. Once ranked, modify your articles to monetize the traffic by adding affiliate links. The goal is to turn rankings into profit. Maximizing Parasite SEO results. Here are some additional tips to get the most from Parasite SEO. Vary headlines. Don't duplicate H1s across versions. Use different titles tailored to each site. Include images. Posts with images tend to perform better in search. Create custom graphics with tools like Canva. Optimize anchor text. Use your target keyword for internal links and 1 to 2 external links. Don't overdo it. Promote on social media. Sharing Parasite content on social can help Google index it faster. Enhance content over time. You can edit posts later on to refine them. Improving quality leads to better rankings. There you have it, folks. Parasite SEO and AI can truly transform your website's ranking and online presence. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and colleagues in the digital world. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell, and stay updated with the latest SEO tips and tricks. We're here to help you succeed in the digital landscape. Connect us via social media. Contact us via call or website. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Remember, the key to success is just one click away. Until next time, take care and keep optimizing.